Hey friends, here's a quick beginner's guide to using Cash App in 2026. First, download Cash App from your App Store and sign up using your phone or email, whichever you pick will be linked to your account. Enter the security code sent to you, then add your debit card for faster transfers. Use your real name and birth date, create your unique dollar, cash tag, add your zip code, and set your cash pin. Once you're set up, you can send or request money by tapping the dollar icon, entering an amount, and choosing pay or request. You can also scan someone's QR code for instant payments. To cash out, tap your balance, hit withdraw, and choose between a free standard transfer or an instant one for a small fee. Want to spend directly? Order a free cash card to shop online or in stores. And you can add funds anytime from your debit card or by depositing paper cash at select stores. Cash App works in the US and UK. And while you don't need a bank account, linking one makes things much easier.